Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to buy Ethereum on Cash App. Alright, let's begin. You cannot buy Ethereum directly through Cash App, but you can use an alternative method with the BitPay wallet. This method works for any cryptocurrency supported by BitPay, including Ethereum and Bitcoin. First, download the BitPay app from your App Store. If you already have it, you can skip this step. Once installed, open the app and tap the Buy button. BitPay supports over 170 cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Litecoin. Next, enter the amount you want to spend and select Ethereum. The app will automatically calculate the conversion rate. When prompted to choose a payment method, select Other. This option allows you to use Cash App for your transaction. BitPay will display several offers from its partners, ensuring you get the best rates. To proceed, select the Transact offer, as it is the only partner supporting Cash App payments. You will be redirected to Transact, where you need to enter your Cash App details to complete the purchase. Once the payment is confirmed, Ethereum will be delivered directly to your BitPay wallet. Alternatively, you can use bitpay.com to buy Ethereum. Simply select the cryptocurrency, enter your wallet address, and pay using Cash App through Transact. So that's basically how you can buy Ethereum on Cash App. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.